Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Google account is active and backup and sync is on so changes persist. Open the Photos app or go to Photos. Google.com. Once there, grant storage and location permissions if you plan to sort by place. Next, select the album or photo you want to change. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Once done, tap the three-dot menu to reveal editing, sharing, and info options to proceed immediately. Now you'll perform detailed edits and organizational changes. Tap Edit to crop, rotate, apply filters, and use light and color sliders. These non-destructive edits keep originals if you want to revert. Then organize by selecting multiple photos and choosing Move to Album, Add to Album, or Archive to reduce clutter. Use favorites for quick access. Make sure to check backup and sync status, and the upload queue in settings so all edits and moves are finished by reviewing albums and shared links. Confirm permissions and remove anyone who shouldn't have access. If you changed a photo and want the original back, use Revert in the Edit menu. This restores the original file. To complete cleanup, empty trash within 60 days to free storage. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Verify you're signed into the correct Google account, check available Google storage, update the app, and toggle backup and sync off and on. One tip: clear app cache before reinstalling to save settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.